These 5 free AI tools feel so powerful, they almost seem illegal to use. Let's dive in. Number 1. ChatGPT. Think of it as your personal assistant. It can write, plan, research, and even code for you. Number 2. Tome AI. Create beautiful presentations instantly by just giving it a topic. Number 3. Murf AI. Make studio-quality voiceovers in seconds. It sounds just like a real human. Number 4. Cleanup.pictures. Upload any image and erase unwanted objects like magic. It's used by designers and editors worldwide. Number 5. Notion AI. Your digital second brain. It can take notes, write reports, summarize meetings, and even brainstorm ideas. Found something useful? Hit that subscribe button for daily AI hacks. Your hustle just got smarter.